before we move into what caused the war, can you explain whom they are? Whom are the Israels and who are the? Because sometimes when you ask, those in the Israel are Jews and those in Palestine are Muslims, and it's a war that they've been fighting even before the prophets and this kind of. So I don't know like how all this came about.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Abdullah Dede, for this great opportunity. First and foremost, I would also like to thank your viewers and all those watching us right now. Israel and then Palestine, as you asked, who are they? Yes, they are human beings. They are not objects. They are people. They bleed or breed the same blood. So when you say a Palestinian actually was not supposed to be an identity. You get me? It's nothing closer to anything of an identity. But normally it's being tagged to the Arabs or the Arabians who migrated as Bedouins, those who work or used to sell or do works in livestock, leading sheep or getting into cattle and camels, all in the enclave of Gaza and today's West Bank. So they were coined and termed Palestinians. But in Israeli, they mention it not P, but Philistine. Philistine. They are Arabs. And a subgroup of who are today in Ammon. Ammon is what we know today as Jordan, or in other words, Urdun. So they are Arabians migrating from that enclave. But then when you talk about the Israelis, for all we know, as Muslims as we are, we know how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has been addressing An-Nabi Ishaq and An-Nabi Yaqub and the descendant, Bani Israel. So Israel is a tribe, but it's a tribe divided into two. We have the Israelis who were then in the north, and then we have the Judah. They were the kingdom of Israel, and then there were a kingdom of Judah. We all heard from our Islamic exegesis, which is tafsir, that An-Nabi Musa went and brought the Israelis from Masr or Misra back to their land. The tribe is called Jew. Their identity or the kingdom they used to have was called Israel. Later, the kingdom of Judah collapsed and they amalgamated it into one. So when we say an Israeli, it is only an identity for a Jewish tribe. If you are not a Jew, you can never claim to be an Israeli by identity. But I will come ahead and let you understand politically. Now there are Arabs who are Israelis by citizenship. Because the scope and the war over there has changed. So when we say a Palestine, technically or specifically limited to the Arabs. And then when we say an Israeli, limited to the